My name is Wally. Bacham the tank engine. Watch me ride tonight. You see me spinning it. Oh yes, look at all the nuggies. Yes, 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 look at me, look at me. I drive my new automatic. Look at me, look at me. My name is Bacham, son. I know who my true friends is. You are not my friends. It's okay. I walk alone. I drive alone. I think I'm better off alone. This is haram. If you are true friends, you live when I live. Living is good, okay? Sweet as bird. Sweet as bird. Bacham, you make sure you get to your destination. You stupid motherfucker. Now get going.
Always on time.
What up, dog?
Ah, Nagi, what up to you? It's not fair. Why you braking in the middle of the road? You make me cause another accident.
Oh. Damn, bitch, you stupid fly.
Why you attack me? Fucking bitch. I pick you up and finish you. Like mine. Eat me.
Blow my whistle, bitch. Blow my whistle, bitch.
Be a man. Be a man. Just be a man. Be a man. Be a man. Just be a man. I hate it when this geezer thinks he can freestyle. Silly twat. Please don't zoom in the camera to my head. I'm not wearing my hat.
Hey, baby, jump in my low rider and let's rotate these tires.
I feel like Vin Diesel in Faster Than the Furious. This is exciting. Slow down, Bacham, you stupid gay motherfucker. I have to go and pray. I can't slow down now. I go quicker, eh?
Say a little prayer for you. The moment I wake up, before I put on my makeup, I say a little prayer for you.
I have to go and pray to make sure Allah find me a new wife.
Let me pull up to that bumper and smack that monkey.
My feet is on the fast pedal, but my engine going too faster now. I take feet off fast pedal to put it in slow pedal. Aye!
Bacham, you stupid fucker. What the fuck did you do again? You fucked up. Just as usual.
Look at me, I'm Wally. Watch me ride tonight. Watch me pick up tonight. Another fight. It's like I am in liking mode. You catch me at the DCM club, just in the line for a rub. Watch me, I'm Bacham son. I drive automatic.